I don't really have an outfit for Valentine's Day, but this will do. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for stopping by. Hope everybody's doing pretty good. I know I am. So it is Valentine's Day, so I thought I'd get this video out for you guys. I probably should have did it a little bit earlier just in case you guys want to try it, but I am going to be restoring a wig. I seen this style. I don't know who it originated from or anything like that, but I thought it was really cute. It's like a broken heart part or whatever you want to call it. I thought it was cute, so I'm going to try to recreate it on one of my old wigs that I have. Okay, so this is what the wig is looking like. And, you know, of course, it was really pretty when I got it. It does still have a few cute curls in it. The name of this wig was Salona, I think. And it's from the What Lace collection. I've had this wig for like probably 3 years, 3+ years, and haven't worn it in about 3 years. So this is a really tangled up mess of a wig. So let me take it off the mannequin head so you can see just what condition that this wig is in, okay? So this is the back. It's actually starting to grow tentacles because it's so tangled. This is what the back of it looks like. It's matted, but it could be worse, but it's matted pretty bad in the back. It's got makeup and stuff all inside of it, but look at all that parting space. Like, you got so much parting space in there that I think that this would be the perfect wig for this style, okay? So let me go ahead and put it on so I can brush it out, and I'll be right back. All right, y'all, so I got this wig on. I'm about to brush it out. This is what the top of it looks like. It looks terrible, but that's okay. We're gonna fix it. But right now I'm just brushing it out. As y'all can see, I want y'all to see how tangled it is, you know. And a lot of times when you brush the wigs out, they don't look too bad, but they be so matted and heavy feeling, you know, from either oils and greases or sprays. And of course, I'm not, look at the back of it, y'all. Look at that. Just a mess. But it's not too bad. I'm gonna be able to fix it. We're gonna see how this goes. Taking all of my might to get the tangles out of this wig, y'all. All right, this is what it looks like combed out. So it's a pretty decent length. I am gonna take it off and go ahead and brush the nape out. All right, yeah, I'm gonna go brush the nape out, and then I'm going to go in and wash it. All right, y'all, so first I'm brushing out this wig while I'm washing it to get the tangles out because it was really tangled. So I make sure to wash the lace on it as well, and I use my little brush to, you know, get the glue off. And I also make sure that I rinse it out pretty good. You want to get all the soap out and all the debris. And also, look at those ends. Now, those ends look terrible, y'all, and they felt like straw. So I ended up boiling the wig. So I'm going to show you how I take care of those ends. Okay, so while we dip the wig, we're going to brush it while we dip it. So while it's hot, you want to make sure you brush it to get all the tangles out of it. And then we're going to move over to the sink and we're going to brush it while it's still hot. You see all that steam coming off? Want to make sure you brush it until the brush runs smoothly through the hair. All right, y'all. So this is the wig now after I washed it. I did have to boil the ends because they were, you know, feeling like straw or something like that. Even though it was layers in the back, I don't think that the thickness or anything is that badly affected by it. So I might not have to cut too much off, but we'll see. All right, y'all. So now for the hard part, okay? Coming from somebody who's not really good at making a straight part, we're going to go ahead and just try to part this wig first before I do anything, because I kind of decided against blow drying it first, so we'll see. All right, y'all. So I got those parts done. That was very difficult. That's what I got so far. Of course, I'm going to go in and clean it up. And I'm going to wrap a piece of hair around this one. And I'm going to be back, y'all. But that took a lot out of me, okay? That drained me. That drained me. But I think it looked good so far. So let me go ahead and finish. All right, y'all. So at this point, I'm going to show you what I got so far. Because I think I could, if I wanted to, just leave it like this. Okay, so this is the heart that I have on the top. You know, it's a little wrinkle because it's on this mannequin head. I hope that's why. But so far it looks good. I mean, we got to think about where this wig came from. It came from being so matted. Let me see. I'm going to have to brush this out at the bottom. And if I would have blow dried it, it probably would have been a little bit, you know, a little bit more easier to brush through. But I didn't because I wanted to start the heart on the top. So I think it looks pretty good. I'm gonna probably add some curls to it. All right, y'all. So I'm about to curl his hair, and I just wanted to show you the rollers that I use when I curl synthetic hair. It's basically like this. I'll either use these ones here. you know, and they got like a little, I don't know what you call this. It's like a little thing on the inside. But yeah, I will use these here, you know, and they come in different sizes. So, you can get these on Amazon, the hair store, Walmart, Target. You can get these pretty much anywhere. Okay, and they go down to a pretty small size. They go down to like this size here. So I do like to use these because they are Velcro and they stick better. Let me show you the other one. Yeah. See, these ones, they stick better in your hair, so it makes it easier to use them. So, let's see. I'm not going to curl all the way up to the top. I'm just going to curl the bottoms. So, I'm going to use this size here, just so I can get a little bit of volume. I'm going to curl it going back. And it just grabs the hair. Okay? And you can either use bobby pins or clips to secure it. So I'm going to leave that on there like that. I'm going to move on to the next one. And I'm going to brush it out a little bit. Now I'm doing big sections because, like I said, I'm just trying to put some curl into it so it won't be so bone straight. But this is pretty much, you know, this is how I do it, y'all. This is how I curl my wigs. All right, y'all. So it is the next day. And I let the wig dry overnight. So the curls, so far, they look pretty good. I'm going to go ahead and take the rollers out and put it on so you guys can see it. Let's see what the heart is looking like. Looks pretty good to me. All right, so let me go ahead and put this wig on, y'all. All right, y'all, so this is the final look. Let me bend down so you can see the heart at the top. I am very short, so everybody's going to see it. But yeah, this is what it looks like in the back. So I think that it turned out really, really good, y'all. I love it. So y'all comment down below. Let me know what you think. Yeah, I think this turned out really good. It wasn't too many steps. Now, either you can leave the rollers in overnight, or you could just use a blow dryer. But yeah, I just chose to leave it overnight. I was getting tired, y'all, so. But I do really like it. I think it turned out really good. So that's it for this video, y'all. So make sure you comment down below. Let me know what you think. Also, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe so you can be up to date whenever I make a post. And that is it. All right. So y'all enjoy the rest of y'all day. Bye.